Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll introduce you to the integration of PowerProtect Data Manager with Dell Automation Platform for NativeEdge. The seamless backup and restore experience offered by PowerProtect Data Manager has been extended to NativeEdge VM workloads, complemented by an array of features. No deployment of proxy or reagents are required at the endpoints, thus simplifying setup of NativeEdge VM workload with Data Manager to a matter of minutes. Data Manager uses REST API to communicate with the Edge Orchestrator and the data mover, which is pre-installed on the Edge endpoints. Incremental forever backups using synthetic full captures only the change blocks. That means every incremental copy logically looks like a full backup. The dynamic VM to policy assignment via protection rules for large-scale environments. The solution offers optimized storage with data domain deduplication and DD boost for efficient transfers. In addition, it delivers image-level VM restores to any native edge endpoint and simplifies management with pre-installed data mover, reducing TCO. Let's walk through how it works. PowerProtect Data Manager integrates with the Dell Automation Platform Edge Orchestrator to enable centralized protection of native edge VM workloads. Through the generic hypervisor data mover and native edge plugin service, Data Manager automatically discovers VMs managed by the orchestrator, streamlining asset registration and policy assignment. The embedded data mover, leveraging DDBoost APIs, establishes a direct data path between the native edge endpoint appliances and PowerProtect data domain. This configuration supports edge local backup operations, significantly reducing latency and eliminating the need to transfer backup data to a central data center. After logging into Data Manager, navigate to Infrastructure, then Asset Sources on the left pane. Enable the asset source Dell Automation Platform Orchestrator for NativeEdge, thereby starting the NativeEdge plugin service. Next, add the Edge Orchestrator as an asset source by entering the required details such as fully qualified domain name or IP of the Dell Automation Platform Orchestrator. Use the default port 443 and validate the certificate. Next, add the Dell Automation Platform FQTN or IP followed by the tenant ID and validate the certificate. Use the values for client ID and client secret to create a new credential in Data Manager or select existing credentials using the dropdown. Modify the discovery schedule if required to alter the frequency and discovery window. Click on Save. All the VMs managed by Dell Platform Orchestrator endpoints will be discovered automatically. For the credentials that were created in Data Manager, we would need to create a client in the Dell Automation Platform portal to retrieve the values for the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. To configure a new protection policy, navigate to Protection, then Protection Policy on the left pane. Select the type as Native Edge Virtual Machine. Add the previously discovered VMs to the policy. Follow the steps to add data domain as the protection storage and configure the schedule as required. You can monitor running jobs from the Protection Jobs tab, where you can drill down to see the backup progress for each VM and other job statistics. For restores, you can choose to restore either to the original host or to a new VM. In the case of restoring to a new VM, select any of the edge endpoint discovered by Data Manager, specify a new name for the VM, and choose the destination storage. Reduce restore time by enabling DD compression and choose if the VM should be powered on or off after restore. Select the subnet for VM network adapter and start the restore. Once the restore is complete, the restored VM can be viewed in the Edge Orchestrator UI under Infrastructure and Virtual Machines. To learn more, check out the following resources. Thank you for listening.